My name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you lanthanide transition elements including lanthanides, ions, electron in the orbit, number of unpaired electron, colored magnetic property on page number 11, Sc++ 3d0, 0, colored diamagnetic, Ti4 positive 3d0, 0, colorless diamagnetic, Cu plus 3d10, 0, colorless diamagnetic, Zn plus 3d10, 0, colorless diamagnetic, Cu plus 3d9, 1, colored paramagnetic, Fe plus 3d6, 4, colored paramagnetic, Fe plus 3d5, unpaired electron 5, colored paramagnetic. This is the magnetic property. Ni plus 3d8, unpaired electron 2, colored paramagnetic, colored है और पैरामैग्नेटिक है. कोबाल्ट प्लस 3d7, number of unpaired electrons is 3, colored paramagnetic. Cr3 positive 3d3, number of electrons unpaired 3, colored paramagnetic. Point 9, tendency to form complex ion. Transition metals have strong tendency to form complex ion and complex compounds. It is due to the following reasons. Number A, cations of the transition element have vacant d orbital of appropriate energy. Number B, these cations have high positive charge. Number C, these cations have small size. Example of the complex ion and complex compound K4 ब्रैकेट में FeCN ब्रैकेट क्लोज 6, ये इसका नाम होगा पोटेशियम फेरोसाइनाइड. K3FeCN6 पोटेशियम फेरीसाइनाइड. NiCO ब्रैकेट में CO4 निकिल कार्बोनाइल. FeCN6 फेरोसाइनाइड आयन. FeCN6 ferricyanide ion on page number 11. On page number 12, number 10, catalytic properties. Transition element and their compounds are used as catalyst. FeCO, nickel, palladium, platinum, Fe2O3, Cr2O3, V2O5, etc. are important catalysts. These catalyst properties is due to the following reasons. Number A, these elements adopt multiple oxidation states. Number B, the atoms present at the surface of these metals have free valencies. Number C, these have the ability to form complexes. Point number 11, different oxidation state. Variable valency. Transition elements show variable valency. Example, valency of iron in ferrous compounds is 2, while in the ferric compounds valency of iron is 3. Valency of copper in cupric compounds is +2, while in the cuprous compound is +1. Zn and cadmium do not show variable valency. These always show valency of +2. The difference in the energy of the ns and n-1 d orbitals is small. Therefore, electrons present in the ns and n-1 d orbitals takes part in bond formation. This is the reason why do the this is the on page number 12. On page number 13, transition elements show variable valency. When transition elements form cations, the electrons of ns orbitals are given out first. 26Fe is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2. Fe plus plus is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6. Fe3 positive 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5. The highest oxidation state of transition element are found in fluorides and oxides, since fluorine and oxygen are the almost electronegative elements. The highest oxidation state while a transition element may show is 8. The important oxidation state of the 3D elements Sc21, Ti22, vanadium 23, Cr24, Mn25, Fe26, Co27, nickel 28, copper 29, zinc 30. ये 3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है, इसकी 2 है, फिर वेनेडियम की 2, क्रोमियम की 2, Mn की 2, Fe की 2, कोबाल्ट की 2, निकल की 2, कॉपर की 2, जिंक की 2। और फिर टाइटेनियम की आपकी है 3, वेनेडियम की 3, Cr की 3, Mn की 3, Fe की 3, कोबाल्ट की 3, निकल की 3, कॉपर की 2। ना टाइटेनियम की 4 भी है ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, और वेनेडियम की 4 है, क्रोमियम की 6 है, Mn की 4 है, Fe की 6 भी है, कोबाल्ट की 4 है, निकल 4। और ना नेक्स्ट वेनेडियम की 5 भी है, और Mn की 5 भी है, 6 भी है, एंड 7 भी है। Besides these oxidation state, transition element also form compounds in zero oxidation state. Fe, Co, and nickel also form compounds in +1 oxidation. On page number 14, Fe, Ru, and Os are present in the same group of periodic table, but their maximum oxidation state are different. For example, iron shows common oxidation state of +2 and +3, but Ru and Os form compounds in the +4, +6, and +8 oxidation state. Osmium tetraoxide OSO4 is a quite stable compound in which oxidation state OS is +8. Point number 12. Non-stoichiometric compounds or formation of interstitial compounds. Transition elements have the tendency to form non-stoichiometric compounds. These compounds do not follow the general laws of valency. Composition of such compounds is variable, and the ratio of the elements in such compounds is not definite. For example, the ferrous oxide FeO is a non-stoichiometric compound. Its composition is not exactly FeO. Its composition changes between FeO and FeO 0.94 and FeO 0.84. But for convenience, ferrous oxide is represented as FeO on page number 14. On page number 15, lanthanides and actinides intertransition element या F block elements इनको कहा जाता है। इन these elements the differentiating electron यानी कि एंटरिंग करने वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन comes in F orbital of anti-penultimate orbit of F block elements have been divided into lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides. In these elements, the last electron enters in the 4f orbital. These are called 4f block elements. First inner transition is lanthanides or lanthanons. They are the elements of sixth period. These are the placed together in a separate row below the periodic table. These are also called rare earth. Number actinides. In these compounds, the last electron enters in the 5f orbital. These are called 5f block elements. Second inner transition is actinides or actinons. These are the elements of seventh period. These are placed together in a separate row below the periodic table. In both lanthanides and actinides, the outer three orbits are incompletely filled. On page number 15. On page number 16, physical and chemical properties. Number first, all these are metals and have high density and high melting point. Number two, these form alloys with other metals, especially with iron. Number three, the most Characteristics oxidation state of lanthanides is +3, while those of actinides is +4. Other oxidation states are also shown by these elements. Number 4. Ionic radii. As the atomic number of lanthanides increases, atomic radii of cation M3 positive decreases from Ce plus 3 to Lu plus 3. It is because the electron enters the deep-seated 4f orbital. The shielding skinning effect of 4f electron is poor. Hence, as the atomic number of the lanthanides increases, electrons of the outermost orbit are attracted towards the nucleus by greater force. The decrease in the ionic radii M3 positive ions with the increase in atomic number is called lanthanide construction on page number 16.